What's up all my PE friends, Mr. K here, and today we're doing a basic jump rope tutorial. Go ahead and lay your line out on the ground like me. And we're going to start with some simple jumps. The way our body looks when we jump is super important for our jump rope. So again, follow along with the video as best you can right now. And again, we want to train our body to be nice and upright, to be not flailing around wildly all over the place, but staying pretty steady in one place. And we can go faster or slower. Throughout this video, follow along with what I do, and hopefully at the end of it, you'll be able to do some basic jump rope skills. So now on one foot, again, we're just training our bodies to balance and to jump. And jump rope's also a great way to build some strength in our bodies, particularly our leg muscles. And now a little faster. Alright, now that we've done some jumping, go ahead and pick up your jump rope. Make sure you hang on to those handles. And your jump rope should be come up right about to your armpits. Now this is what I don't want to see. I don't want to see your handles flying all over the place. They hurt if you get hit or if you hit someone else. I don't want that. Make sure you hang on to them tight so they're not flailing around. Alright, so if you watch Mr. K here, he's got his jump rope behind his heels. He's hanging on to the handles. And our simple rhyme is swing it, see it, jump it. So you'll see it's behind his heels. Use his arms to swing it, see it, and then jump over it. Hopefully you're trying this out as we go. Again, swing it, see it, jump it. Notice our body's upright, our chin is up. Oh yeah, see that's not working. Those legs are apart, arms flailing all over the place. There's no control, and it's hard to get the rope to go around your body, and you're going to end up tangled. So again, try to keep your feet together, your chest up, your chin up. Nice simple jumps with that swing it, see it, jump it rhythm. Notice my wrists and forearms are moving around to keep that rope spinning. Alright, we can also try this backwards. This might be easier for some of you. If you put your rope in front of your feet, and instead of swing it, see it, jump it, you're going to swing it, not see it, and jump it. Swing it, not see it, and jump it. And if you mess up, that's okay. Mr. K messes up all the time too. We'll just try again. Again, so you have forwards and backwards. Either of these works. You'll just have to experiment with which one is easier for you. But again, back to forwards, swing it, see it, jump it. We got some arms that are a little wild. But that's okay, as long as we keep our rhythm and our body and chest upright. But this is good form. We want our wrists moving around, nice and easy. If you get tired of jumping, you can still practice your swing. Just swinging your rope back and forth, nice and easy. You want to make sure there's no classmates right near you, because we definitely don't want to hit someone else with our rope. Right? So we want to stay in control. Make sure, if we get kind of crazy and wild, often we hit ourselves or someone else. That hurts a lot. So make sure we stay nice and controlled, nice and slow. We don't want to go too fast and hurt ourselves or someone else. So control our jump rope, hang on to those handles to make sure we stay safe. Alright, let's try one more time here. Jump rope behind our heels, swing it, see it, jump it. Again, body nice and upright, arms doing the work to spin that rope.